What? You have to watch it. Watch it. You farting again? Maria, I can't believe she's actually standing that.
Help me!
Mm. Maria throws up.
I'm not gonna throw up. I have a really strong stomach, but.
Are you still watching it? I think it's over. Is it over?
Ew! This is worse than that meat stick thing!
Meat spin isn't so bad.
Why? Why?
You wanted to watch it. So did Carla.
I didn't expect for it to be this bad.
I know, neither did I.
Carla! What was Carla's reaction?
We'd have to show it to you when you come over, because we recorded it on here.